We were as one, babe, for a moment in time, and it seemed everlasting that you would always be mine.
I will never let you fall. I'll stand up for you forever. I'll be there for you.